Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, you may have seen some neat projects like the sprite catcher. If you scroll a little bit further down, you may have tried out the food catcher or don't catch mine. But I want to show you a project that kind of combines these different ideas into one. So the game that we're going to look at is called Popcorn the Game, and it is by Pattern Splash. Now when we press the green flag, we can do some different options. I'm just going to go ahead and start. And so we have to click on the kernels to make it so that they actually pop. So like that. If we click on those that are already popped, then we can actually lose a heart like that. And then we get a game over. So this I thought was a really neat idea. It's combining the clicking kind of like you do in the sprite catcher, but it's also making it so the sprites move up and down like in food catcher. So it's combining those two ideas together to make a fun little game that you can play whenever you press the green flag. Now, if you want to try out this particular game, you can find it in the description by clicking on the link. And if you've got a neat idea that you'd like to share for others, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.